Hi everyone. In this video, I'll explain the comparison of volumes. This question they asked during the year of 2006. I have taken this problem from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This question they asked in CPO examination. See, in this problem, he is comparing the volume of the cylinder and volume of a cube. Let us see the problem. The volume of a right circular cylinder, 14 centimeter in height, is equal to the cube whose side is 11 centimeter. So, what is given in this problem? Side of the cube is given as 11 centimeter. Then, height of the cylinder is given. Then, one more information is given. Volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the cube. Volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the cube. That is also given. For cylinder, H is given. What is H? 14 centimeter. For cube, side is given. That is 11 centimeter. Volume of these two are equal. It is given in the problem. So, you have to find out the radius of the base of the cylinder. Okay, what is the formula to find out the volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h cubic units. What is the formula to find the volume of the cube? A cube cubic units. Am I right? Now I am substituting 22 by 7, or we have to find out r square. What is h? 14 is equal to 11 into 11 into 11. 3 times I have done multiplication. Now 2 times. Now r square is equal to 11 into 11 into 11 divided by 2 into 22. Okay, here it's going 2 times. So r square is equal to 11 into 11 by 2 into 2. So r is equal to 11 by 2 centimeter. Okay. So radius of the base of the cylinder is what is 11 by 2? 5.5 centimeter. So correct option is B option. Thank you.